At Brookdale, we believe it's important for our students to get involved. In fact, did you know research shows that students who are involved outside the classroom are far more likely to do well inside the classroom and complete their degree, rather than students who are not involved. Here's the Director of Student Life and Activities to tell you more.
Getting involved on Brookdale Community College's campus is an integral part of your educational experience. There is something for everyone. We have over 50 clubs and organizations, complemented by multiple events that happen on campus, whether it be lectures, bands, comedians, or just special events. It is statistically proven that students that get involved have a higher GPA, have a higher academic success, have more retention, and also complete their college degree. So when you come to Brookdale, there is something for everyone, so get involved.
There you have it. To get to know some of our other academic institutes and services, be sure to check out our other videos. We look forward to seeing you at our open house, where you can speak to our faculty, deans, and other department representatives. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you around campus.